Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I'm your English teacher, grade 1st. Today I'm going to explain Chunk 3, week 1. Look at worksheet 2. Worksheet 2, double O words. So, make sentence and the following word. First word is a school, wool, stool, pool, moon, and tool. So, first sentence school. School, I read an educated school, Charsadda campus. And second, wool. Wool grows on sheep. Stool. Tom got up from his stool. Pool. We have a pool. Moon. The moon was bright last night. Tool. Tom keep has tools and a tall box. So student, write these sentences and neatly your work and complete your worksheet.
Double O sound. Many words have a double O sound. In some words, the sound is long, while in others, it is short. Double O in the word room has a long sound. The word wool also has a short double O sound. In this module, you learned the following. There are many words which have a double O sound. In words like room, stool, spoon, and food, the double O sound is long. In words like book, wood, football, and wool, the double O sound is short.
So students, thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you.